Okay, let's talk about the way R handles vectors of unequal length. So let's take a look at V equals 1 through 6 and W equals 1 through 3. And we add V to W so that we're adding this vector to this vector. So what does it do? It takes 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. And then it moves this over again, repeats itself. In other words, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5, and 6 plus 3. So it gives you this result. And here's another example. So this function, this one here, take a sequence of vector, matrix, or data frame arguments and combine them by columns or by rows respectively. So you can combine vectors together into a matrix or a data frame. So if you run cbind on this vector, this is a vector, it's not a column, but this will make it into a column. And if you want to see what kind of object it is, it's a vector, but it's displayed like this. Suppose we have two vectors here, V and W. Let's print them. Okay, V and W. And we try column bind. So we do cbind VW, and we get this. So it just takes this column and puts them together. So it's kind of treating it as a vector. But remember that a matrix is basically a vector with dimensions. Now suppose that U is the vector 1 through 4. And we had V was that. What would happen if we did column bind with V and U? So this also has to do with the recycling rule, because V is a different length than U. So what does it do? V goes through 1 through 10, and U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But it does give you a warning message. Remember that a warning is different than an error. An error stops everything. A warning just tells you like a kind of a note. And one more example of the recycling rule. What's this? V is this vector here. 100 is just a single number. So what's it going to do? It's going to recycle the 100 10 times so that you get this plus 100 for each of these. So it's like saying 100 is a vector, actually, with 10 entries in this case.